Guys, Grok Imagine Agent Mode is officially out in beta. And let me tell you, this is easily one of the most powerful AI updates XAI has ever dropped. Forget everything you know about standard, boring text-to-video generators. In this new tool, you get an infinite canvas where you can create bulk, storyboard-style content all at once. You can generate multiple images, animate them concurrently, extend scenes, and stitch them together into a full movie right inside the dashboard. This video is going to be incredibly important for your AI workflow, so do not skip a second of it. All right, to test this beast out, you just head over to the official Grok Imagine website. Right there on the screen, you will see a shiny new icon for Agent Beta Mode. Simply click it, and it transports you into this massive open canvas dashboard. Now, to get a feel for how this works, I am going to select one of their pre-made templates. Let's click on UGC Product Stories. Immediately, you'll see it start analyzing the prompt on the sidebar. You can obviously add your own custom prompts here, but for the sake of testing, let's just roll with the template. We'll wait just a few seconds, and man, look at this. It just created a massive batch of images for my products all at once. This is next level stuff. It literally mapped out 3 different user-generated content stories in one click. If I zoom in and check these out, it generated 3 distinct products: a water bottle, some wireless earphones, and a makeup product. Let's look at the water bottle scene. It shows this girl holding the bottle, and the character consistency across the different angles is surprisingly accurate. In fact, it generated a completely different consistent influencer for each of the 3 products. That alone saves so much prompting time. Okay, let's say I want to turn these static images into an actual UGC video ad for the water bottle. First, I'm going to grab all the images related to the water bottle and drag them together into a space on the canvas so they are lined up. Then, I grab the selection mouse icon from the bottom menu and draw a box to select all of these images at once. You can see on the right side that all the images have popped into the prompt section. Now I'm going to type this prompt. Generate 30 seconds clip at once. All shots combined. Candid user style shots. Work on this story, generate. And yes, guys, ignore my terrible typing and spelling mistakes here. I've gotten so used to AI just figuring out what I mean that I don't even bother correcting typos anymore. I hit generate and it spits out a 30-second clip.
This HydroTrack bottle is a game changer for my hydration. Look how it tracks my intake perfectly. Feeling so refreshed and energized all day.
But wait, let's look closer. Okay, I have to be honest, it looks great, but it did a very funny AI glitch. It basically generated a beautiful 10-second video and then just lazily looped it 3 times to hit the 30-second mark. Not exactly what I wanted, Grok, but hey, it's still in beta. Don't worry though, because I'm going to show you the proper way to fix this and build a real video. Let's move to an empty space on the canvas and try something fully custom. I'm going to click on Upload Image and drop in a custom character I generated, along with the official AI Biceps logo. I use the Select tool to grab these 3 images, the 2 character shots and the logo, and type this prompt. Image 1 and 2 are my character. Image 3 is my logo. Create a UGC ad of the AI Biceps water bottle with this character. Create images for that first. It cooks for a second and generates some solid images. They aren't 100% flawless yet, but they're definitely good enough to work with. If I select these and try the 30-second prompt again,
gains. AI Biceps bottle keeps me powered through every rep. Track it, crush it, repeat. This is how you...
It unfortunately does that same 10-second loop trick. So let's ditch that and do it the professional way. Here is the real cheat code. On every single image, you will see a little Animate icon. I am simply going to select the Animate icon on each image one by one. The crazy part? Grok can handle concurrent tasks. It starts animating all 3 of my clips at the exact same time without crashing. Once the clips are done, let's check out clip number 1.
AI Biceps optimized.
Looks great, but what if it's too short? Right there on the clip, you have an extend frame option. This allows you to continue the scene seamlessly. I'm going to select the very last frame of the video and type, continue this scene, show him working out. While it generates that 10-second extension, let's look at the other features. Right below the clip, you also have an upscale to 720p button to boost your video quality for the final export. Now, let me show you the craziest feature of this entire canvas. What if I want to merge all these separate clips into one single seamless commercial? If you look closely below the videos, there is a very important cute little icon called Stitch. I'm going to select my 3 videos in the exact order I want them to play and click that Stitch option at the top. Within seconds, it merges the videos together into a full 22-second commercial. But it gets better. You can actually edit this clip right inside Grok's mini editor. Okay, it looks good, but the transitions are a bit rough. Let's fix that. I open the editor, pause the video where I want to make a cut, and select clip 2. You can simply trim the messy parts right here on the timeline. In fact, they even give you fade in and fade out options. I am going to set the duration for my fades so the scenes blend smoothly into each other. After trimming and fading, my final video is a tight, punchy 18 seconds. Let's play the final masterpiece.
Check out my AI biceps. Upgrade your workout with robotics.
And there you have it, guys. The Grok Imagine Agent update is an absolute beast for creating bulk content and managing full video timelines on one single screen. Keep in mind, this is currently just in beta, meaning it is only going to get faster, smarter, and fix those little looping bugs in the future. You definitely do not want to miss out on testing this platform for yourself. If this video helped you upgrade your AI workflow, make sure to absolutely smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Keep building.